Powerful strategies for financial increasement. Financial success is a goal that most people aspire to achieve. Whether it's to pay off debts, save for retirement, or buy a new house or car, having more money is always a good thing. However, achieving financial success is not an easy feat. It requires discipline, dedication, and a well-thought-out plan. In this video, we will explore 10 powerful strategies for financial increase that will help you achieve your financial goals. From creating a budget and reducing expenses to investing in the stock market and starting a side hustle, we'll cover everything you need to know to increase your wealth and achieve financial freedom. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and get ready to learn how to take control of your finances and start building the life you've always dreamed of. Introduction. The importance of financial increasement. Introduction. The importance of financial increasement in today's fast-paced and competitive world. The need for financial increasement has become more crucial than ever before. Whether you are an individual striving for financial stability or a business owner aiming to grow your profits, understanding and implementing effective strategies for financial increasement is essential. Strategy 1. Create a budget and track your expenses. Creating a budget and tracking your expenses is an essential first step towards achieving financial increasement. Without a clear understanding of where your money is going, it's nearly impossible to make informed decisions and effectively manage your finances. Start by evaluating your income and fixed expenses such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, insurance, and loan repayments. This will give you a baseline understanding of your financial obligations. Then, examine your discretionary spending, including entertainment, dining out, and shopping. It's crucial to be honest with yourself and identify areas where you might be overspending or indulging in unnecessary expenses. Strategy 2. Save and invest wisely. Saving and investing wisely is a crucial strategy when it comes to increasing your financial well-being. It's not just about earning money, but also about making it work for you in the long run. Here are some powerful tips to help you save and invest wisely. Point 1. Set clear financial goals. Start by defining your financial goals. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a house, or starting a business, having clear goals will give you a sense of direction and motivation. Point 2. Create a budget. A budget is essential for managing your expenses and saving money. Track your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. Identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more towards savings and investments. Strategy 3. Increase your income through additional sources. In today's fast-paced and competitive world, relying on a single source of income may not be enough to achieve financial growth and stability. That's where the power of diversifying your income streams comes into play. By exploring additional sources of income, you can create new opportunities for financial increasement. One effective strategy to increase your income is to leverage your skills and expertise. Take a moment to assess your strengths and identify potential areas where you can offer your services or knowledge. Are you a talented writer? Consider freelancing or starting a blog. Are you skilled in graphic design? Explore opportunities for freelance design work or creating digital products. The possibilities are endless, and by capitalizing on your existing skills, you can tap into new income streams. Conclusion. Taking control of your finances for long-term success. In conclusion, taking control of your finances is crucial for long-term success. Implementing these powerful strategies can help you achieve financial increasement and create a strong foundation for your future. First and foremost, it's important to create a budget and stick to it. This will help you track your expenses, identify areas where you can cut back, and allocate funds towards your financial goals. Remember, every dollar counts, so make wise spending decisions. We hope you found our video on powerful strategies for financial increasement helpful. Managing and growing your finances can sometimes feel overwhelming, but with the right strategies, you can take control and start seeing positive results. From budgeting and investing to side hustles and debt management, these strategies are designed to help you achieve your financial goals. Remember, financial increasement is a journey, so be patient and persistent. We wish you the best of luck in your pursuit of financial success.